Know your audience. Make the time to review the data you're getting back from streaming platforms such as Spotify for Artists to understand what's connecting with your audience. And don't feel obliged to post constantly on every platform. If you make great visual art, focus on platforms such as YouTube and Instagram. Plan a release schedule. In the streaming era, it's really important to build up ongoing and repeat engagement with your fans. Think about your strategy around singles, EPs, and alternative versions. That way, you can also build up your reach within playlists. Own your relationships. Identify your biggest and most engaged fans and look at ways of building one-to-one relationships with them. Building an email list can also be the most effective way of selling your album, merchandise, and gig tickets. If it's your style, take the time to answer personal messages to your fans. Instant messaging platforms such as Facebook Messenger and Instagram can be a great frictionless way of keeping a dialogue going.